Hello, Wilson Metso, gwasanaeth Cysylltiedig. Will's here again from Dempsey Youth Service. Hope you're keeping well, keeping safe. We'll start the session as we do every session, except this time I'm on my feet, I'm standing, some of you may have noticed. House rules. So we operate this platform in the same way as we'd operate any of our ordinary youth provisions, whether it be youth clubs or school provisions or whatever we usually do in the county. We try and run these in the same way. So it's all about respect, isn't it? It's about respecting each other, respecting each other's comments in the comment section. No bad language, no funny business, that kind of thing. Apart from the funny business that you get from me, of course. But yeah, it's all about respecting each other and also staying safe. So we're on an online platform here, so please don't share too much personal information. Please don't tell me your locations and anything that's distinguishing about that. If you want to have a conversation of a private nature, then please use other platforms, so the direct message platforms that we have through Facebook and Twitter and our WhatsApps and emails and phone calls and all those kinds of things. That's probably best to do those to get in contact with a more private nature. If you're mentioning somebody else on the show, somebody who, a friend or whatever, John Jones from Llangollen, for instance. Sorry, John Jones, but please don't say that. Just say my friend. Please don't give too much information away. It's, like I said, it's about staying safe. So, and like and share. We're still building this community, and the community is growing really, really well now. Loads of numbers, loads of people taking part. It's brilliant. But if there's any young people out there who you think might enjoy this virtual youth club, this connected session that we do, then please let them know. Please share it, share the links, copy the links, send them over, send them a text message, give them a phone call. If you happen to bump into someone within 2 meter distance away when you're having your exercise time in the day, give them a shout, say, oh, Dempsey Youth Service, Wills, they're doing these things online, check them out. So yeah, just keep sharing it, keep that community going. And who do we have today? I'm on my feet today, have you noticed? I wonder why. Right, we've got Jess and LEW. Hello, LEW. Sarah, Gemma, Matthew. Oh, Matthew, I haven't forgotten to check out to do my research. So I haven't had a chance yet, but I will. I'll get onto that about the chocolate. I will get onto it. Mike is here, Morgan's here, Charlotte, and Joe. Yo, Joe, how's it going? Right, on with the show. What are we doing today? Why am I on my feet? I see. Oh, Elio's in. Oh, Elio, you're going to love today's show. I'm telling you. Why am I on my feet today? Well, because the 2.6 challenge day is here, right? So Jim set the challenge. Remember we did the meet the team Mondays. And Jim, our lovely youth homelessness coordinator, came on and he set a challenge, the 2.6 challenge. Now, this is a national initiative. It's happening all over the country in replacement of the London Marathon, which is a 26-mile marathon. People have been set the challenges to do something either 2.6 times or for 2.6 minutes or 26 times. Yeah, so the 2.6 challenge. And Jim set the challenge to you guys out there to send the stuff in. Oh, look at my hands. Oh, send the stuff in to us. And you haven't let me down. Thank you very much. You've sent me some lovely stuff in, and I'll be showing you out today. However, I have 2 challenges of my own. I will have to point out, I asked you all for your challenge suggestions, and Gemma in our comment section suggested that I do a handstand for 2.6 minutes. Gemma, I would love to do a handstand for 2.6 minutes, and I most likely probably could. However, I don't think it'd be very entertaining for 2.6 minutes on here of me just seeing my feet up there. So maybe I can do it for 26 seconds. If you want to see that, get in the comment section, let me know. So my first challenge, I have my weights that I've dug out from the shed that I haven't seen in 10 years. So, how many weights? Oh! These are heavy weights. These are my weights. These are, what are they? They're 2.5 kilos, so 5 kilos each. So let's get the 2.6 challenge started off straight away with 26 of these. 1, 2, 3. I can't count. 4. You just get in the comment section. 5, 6. Tell me what your challenges are. 7, 8. I'd be really interested to know. 9, 10. What your challenges are. 10, 11, 12. 13. Elio, come on, Elio. 13, 14. Let me know what you've been doing. 14, 15. I know you've been doing 16. Loads of challenges. 17. I bet you have. 18. Ooh, 19. What am I on? 20. Yeah. Who else have we got? Joe, what's your 2.6 challenge? Come on, let me know. Charlotte, let me know. 22. I don't know. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. Right. Challenge 1 completed. Right. So, Ellie, I knew you wouldn't let me down. I did a 2.6 mile run. Hold on, Ellie. Like I said to you, those weights have been in the shed for about 10 years. Good to dig them out, though. Good to dig them out. She did a 2.6 mile run, and last week I did a 26 themed workout. So, yes, okay, so every rep 26 times, yes. Dame Kelly Holmes did that as well. So there's been loads of celebrities who are involved in this, not just me, not just this celebrity, actual famous celebrities have been doing this. And I know Dame Kelly Holmes did the same as you've done. 26 themed workout things, 26 rep times. Yeah, it's brilliant. Well done. Who else have we got while I recover from my quick workout? Who else has been doing 2.6 challenges? This was Jim's challenge. Jim's unfortunately not with us today. I'm sure he'd have. Oh, Hamza, I do have his challenge on here. Did exceptionally well. In fact, while you're thinking of your 2.6 challenges, I'm out of breath. I'm actually out of breath. While you're thinking of your 2.6 challenges, why don't I show you some of the stuff that's been sent in to me? Right. And then I'll get on to my second 2.6 challenge. Yeah, that makes sense. So, first challenge I had sent in was Charlotte. Is Charlotte with us today? I think, yes, she is. Charlotte, walking up, I believe. Charlotte, are you just walking up 26 stairs, or did you walk for 26 miles? Or what did you do? Well, you get to the top and you seem very happy with yourself. Yay! Well done, Charlotte. Let us know what you did. Was it just 26 steps? Was it a 2.6 miles? Let me know. Oh, the Isle of Skye. The Isle of Skye is in. Hello, Skye. I ate 2.6 slices of toast. Does that count? Actually, it does count. I thought all these things had to be physically related. I think we want to promote them to be physically demanding, physically related. However, somebody baked 26 cookies and then delivered them to her friends, social distancing and all that. But I guess the walk was part of that, I guess. So yeah, 2.6 slices of toast. I feel really low down today. Ooh, that's better. Right, so that's Charlotte. Well done, Charlotte. Well done, Sky. Yes, Sky says that works. Oh, here's Jim now. You know, Jim, he's a talker, Jim. What did Jim do? What's he going to do? Here's his 26 challenge. Do we reckon that Jim can do this 26 times? And as Jim does that and counts, Gemma, 26 failed netball shots. Well done, Gemma. Charlotte says 26 times up and down the steps. Oh, that makes sense. Well done. What's he on? 25? 26. Jim did his challenge. Spot on, Jim. Well done. No, so yeah, just to clarify, Charlotte says 26 times up and down the steps. That makes sense. And go, Jim, says Sarah. Yeah, absolutely. Who else do we have here? Oh, our friend. Take the party here. Dempsey Youth Service. What's he going to do for us 26 times? Elio, whoa, that's good. That Jim had that ball control. That's really good. I thought he was a rugby man myself. What's Tid doing for us? Oh, 26 press-ups. Big man. Good on you, Tid. Da iawn chdi, mate. Who else have we got? Oh, yeah, sorry, did we skip past this? Gemma, bless her, 26 failed netball shots. Well, there were 26 attempts, actually, not fails, 26 attempts. So you can have that one. What's Tid did on? 27. 26 and one for luck. Da iawn Tid there. See, you guys are getting well on board here. I'm very impressed. Here's a good one for you. You'll enjoy this one. Go on, Tid, says Sarah. Here is one of our lovely youth workers from the north of the county. Michael. Is Michael with us this evening? Yes, he is. Michael claims to have hit 26 bullseyes. Now, he does say, it's a lovely dartboard, you're right, it is a lovely dartboard. He says he did 26 bullseyes, and bullseyes, and he claims to have done it in 112 darts. Now, there's a challenge. If anybody's got a dartboard at home, have a go, see how many times it takes you to hit 26. Joe's done one. I planted 26 plants in my garden yesterday. Perfect. That's exactly the kind of thing we're looking for. And that's active as well, planting and gardening and what have you. So there's Michael up in the north of the county telling us that he hit 26 bullseyes. He didn't film it though, did he? He didn't film it. I have forks and a wall. What? I have what? Forks and a wall. What are lists here now, Sky? Charlotte, amazing stuff, Mikey. Yeah, only if it's true, it's amazing, Charlotte. He only took a photograph with that in the bullseye. He didn't actually film himself doing it, did he? Just saying. No, only joking. Good effort. I know he's a brilliant darts player. Who else do we have? Oh, we have Tom here. Tom has sent us in a video, and he is doing 26 key PFPs as you go. Oh, darts. Sorry, Sky. I just hear what you're saying now. I only have forks and the wall. Yeah, well, whatever you could do, makeshift dart board, you crack on. And here is Tom doing, what's he doing?
28, that
28. He did 28. Da iawn chdi, Tom. Well done, Tom. Who else do we have? Oh, we've got one of the O's. Another one of the O's is on here. This is from Sarah, and Sarah says that she walked, what did she do? She did 7,597 steps and walked 2.7 miles, which is 2.6, but it's 2.7. That's the proof and the evidence. Da iawn, Sarah. Everyone give Sarah a big clap. Good effort, everyone. I still need to do mine. Well, Jess, the challenge isn't over yet. There is still time, and we'll get to that at the end. Oh, and here's another one. Here, Doc, you've been sending your stuff in droves. Our principal youth officer, Jeanette Smalls, has been getting on board as well, and she has done, what's she done? 6,291 steps, 2.61 miles. Can you see that? That is her Analytica thing. That's off her phone. So, yeah, she did. She burned 194 calories. And she did it in a time of 1 hour and 8 minutes. I don't know if that's good or not, but well done, Jeanette Smalls, our new principal youth officer, who did the 2.2. Well, she actually did the 2.61 challenge. So, da iawn chdi, da iawn everybody. Right, okay, where are we at? We are. Have I got any more? Well, we'll get to those in a minute. Right, okay, so well done, everybody. Right. There is still time, okay? There is still time to do your challenges. And let me tell you, you've got people, celebrities out there still completing these challenges. Ed Balls, anybody know Ed Balls, the political guy? He did the Gangnam Style for 26 minutes with Katya Jones, the dancer from Strictly. Gareth Bale's been getting on board. He did the volley challenge, a volley masterclass. You had the world's top wheelchair athletes. They did a 26-mile relay. Ellie Goulding's been doing stuff. Stephen Fry's been doing stuff. I said about Kelly Holmes has been doing stuff as well. So there's still time for you to do your challenges. I've got some ideas here. So if you haven't yet done any challenges, here's some ideas for you. You could do a 2.6-mile run. You could do it. Oh, check this out. A 2.6 miles in 26 minutes. But you're doing it backwards. Obviously, be safe when you're doing it. Have someone spot you. You could do 26 handstands. You could bake 26 cookies and deliver them to people. Like I said, remember to maintain social distancing rules and what have you. You can build a 2.6-meter tower, 26 exercises for 26 minutes, something like Leo mentioned earlier. You could dance for 26 minutes, trampoline for 26 minutes. You could, right. And as I was finding all these ideas, now, this is the reason I'm standing. As I was finding all these ideas, I found the best challenge of them all, I think. So, it's really annoying for me living at home because I've had to raid some really, really good work here. But I am going to do 26 costume changes in under 2.6 minutes. Now, I think I need to time it. I haven't done it before, so let's have a go. I'll put the timer on and we'll have a crack. So I'm going to wear 26 different items of clothing in under 2.6 minutes. This will keep you all entertained. I'm sure it will. 2.6 challenge. This is my real 2.6 challenge. Does anybody know how to use a phone? Oh, here we go. Right, there's a stopwatch. Okay, I'm going to do 2.6 minutes. Wait, as a little side, everybody cool with this idea? I'm going to have 26 different costume changes in under 2.6 minutes. That's my, what's it called? 2.6 challenge. That's my 2.6 challenge. Oh, and a little side note for those of you who are watching, Gemma, I know you'll be keen on this. Try and count in your head how many Batman t-shirts I own. Okay, that's a little side game for you all watching. How many Batman t-shirts do I own? Okay, I've got a vest on under here, so you're not exposed to my horribleness, but I'll just quickly jump out of camera and reveal my 26 costume changes. Are you ready? Somebody needs to count for me though. Oh, I forgot to do my stopwatch. Someone time it quick. Ah, no, that was 1. Start. Okay. 1. Oh my God, this is harder than I thought. 2. This is actually harder than I thought. Talk amongst yourselves while I do my challenge. 3. Oh no. 3. 4. Are we on 4? Yeah, I think we are 4. Wow, that's quite hard. 4. 5. I'm out of breath. 6. Oh no. Oh no way am I going to do this. The screen's gone off. Ah! Oh no. No! What are we on? We're on 1.5 minutes. Oh my God, what was that? 7? Oh, I've got to go quicker now. Right. 7. 8. I'm going to have to speed up here. 8. Oh, come on. Oh, 8. 9. There's no way we're going to do this. Oh my God. 10. God, I didn't think it'd be this hard. Oh, it's a tight t-shirt, that one. I haven't worn this one in a while. Oh my God, what are we on? What number was that? Someone tell me what number we're on. It's killing me. I'll just go for it. Come on. I'm going to actually die. No, it's 2.1. No, 1. No, I can't do this. It's too hard. Oh my God, what have we got here? Guys, I think this is going to be a failure. Oh no. This is hard. Who's counting? Oh, these are buttoned up as well. Oh my goodness me. No. Oh no. It's not clean though. Impossible. What are we on? 2.4. Oh no. How many Hawaiian shirts do I own? Oh no. Okay. What did we get up to? Was anybody counting? What did we get up to? 16. Oh, you're kidding. Right, we needed a little bit more time then, I guess. 2.6 challenge, that was really hard. I will continue to try my best. Look at all these Hawaiian shirts. 17 it was. Oh, guys, do you know what? Have a go. If you've got 26 items of clothing, look at me. If you've got 26 items of clothing, I suggest you give it a go because it's really hard to do. Oh, God, I haven't worn this one in a while. Oh, we're back to this one now. Where's my work t-shirt? Hold on a second. Oh, where are we? Oh, yes, I'm out. I'm all over the shop. Okay. Where are we? There we are. Hold on a second. Oh. Oh. Harder than you think and messes up your hair. Maybe I should have given myself 26 minutes to do that. Oh God, what have we got? That was just a giant meme. Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Oh yeah, record that, send that out. This is definitely the funniest night watching Charlotte, I'm knackered. I'm absolutely knackered. And all the ironing that has been done in this house over the last week has just been completely undone. Whoopsie. But no, I really thought that I could get 26 items of clothing on in under 2.6 minutes. No chance. That was really hard. How come every time I attempt something, I should really be trying them out first, shouldn't I? But I did the weights. So one challenge completed, one challenge failed. Way too hard. Please, 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 please do. That's the youth service challenge. Please do. Because I can't. If you are at home and you do have 26 items of clothing, or you could borrow some clothing from your parents or your dad or whatever, and it's not too much hassle, try and film yourselves doing that, getting 26 items of clothing on in under 2.6 minutes. Well, 2.6 minutes, that's 3 minutes, isn't it? What? I'm confused here. Because someone do the maths for me. Is that right? Yeah, that's just 3 minutes, isn't it? Why have I never thought of that before? Right, yeah, 2.6 minutes. If you can do that, please have a go. Jess, you liked that one, did you, Jess? Well, let me see your attempt then. I know you've got at least 26 items of clothing. I know you have. So have a go. Joe, who else? Well, Joe, you're going to have a try? Yes, gold medal for trying. Thank you, Joe. I'd like to see you have a go. Charlotte, yes, I'd like to see you have a go. Matthew, have a go. Gemma, have a go. Elio, have a go. Elio, have a go. Who else have we got? Sky. Sky says I got to 17. I know, good effort. Sky, can you do it? I'd love to see it. That's the Denver Youth Service just 2.6 challenge there, which is really tiring and really messy. So yeah, please be careful and please make sure that you ask permission from a parent or a guardian before you attempt that challenge. But please do it because it's really fun. And if you do it and you are going to have a go, what do you need to do? You need to film it and send it to me because I want to see it. I already did the egg one. That's right, Gemma, you did the egg one. So now you're going to have a crack at this one. We're going to have a weekly challenge. And this is today's weekly challenge. Right, okay. That's pretty much it for tonight. It's Friday night. So please do have a go at that challenge. I would love to give myself 26 minutes. Yeah, no, 2.6 minutes. You've got to be quicker than I am. I think I tired myself out with the weights. I think that's what happened. I think had I not have done the weights, I would have beasted that one. What have we got on next? Monday, right? So Monday, we have another Meet the Team. Another member of our brilliant youth work team is coming on. Remember, you can still connect to these brilliant, amazing youth workers. They're still out there waiting to take your calls. Excuses, says Sky. Thanks, Sky. Thanks for the support. Brilliant to have you on board. Yeah, you can still connect to the brilliant team. They're still there, waiting to take your calls, waiting to take your emails and your texts, and whichever way you want to connect. If you want to connect by FaceTime or text or whatever, they're there. You can find all that information on our Facebooks and Twitter and what have you. Or you can just email us directly through our website and or direct message to our Facebook page and our Twitter. And I will connect you to your youth worker. But they are there and they are waiting for you. So please take advantage of that. Monday, you'll be meeting another one of those faces. Another one of our amazing team will be coming on and setting that weekly challenge. Because remember, this weekly challenge, this is the 2.6, is still active until Monday. So you didn't get out of it that easy, did you? So that challenge is still active. And then on Monday, we'll have another team member coming on setting their challenge. You might not have done it, but you've definitely cheered us all up. Oh, thank you very much, guys. And you know what? That's why we're here. We're here to cheer ourselves up, stay connected, have a bit of a laugh, just do exactly as we would have usually done in our youth clubs, in our different localities. But we're needing to work in a more creative and virtual and digital medium now. So if that means me getting absolutely knackered, trying on all of my clothes, that's literally all of my clothes. I know you know what I like to wear, things with Batman on it and things with bands on it. That's basically my, and loads of Hawaiian shirts. That's basically what I wear. So yeah, 2.6 challenge, it's not over. I really want to see your videos, so keep sending them in. Other than that, we'll see you Monday for the Meet the Team. Happy Friday, everybody. Oh, we'll have a quiz on Monday as well. Happy Friday, everybody. Have a lovely rest of your evening. Stay safe and get your 2.6 challenge on.